Ready to transform your data from overwhelming spreadsheets into captivating stories that drive action? First, open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the Explore section. This is where you will be building your analysis. Make sure you are connected to your data source and had all the necessary fields and measures loaded. Next, let's pick the right visuals. Choose charts that clearly represent your data's key insights. Bar charts are great for comparisons, line graphs for trends over time, and pie charts for proportions. Qlik Sense offers a wide variety to choose from. Now, provide context to your charts. Add clear and concise titles and descriptions that explain what the chart is showing and why it matters. Think of it as setting the scene for your data story. It's time to weave your stories to storytelling mode. Here you can create slides with snapshots of your visualizations. Arrange them in a logical order to guide your audience through your narrative. Don't be afraid to highlight key findings. Use annotations, text boxes, and callouts to draw attention to important data points and explain their significance. Finally, make it interactive. Qlik Sense dashboards allow users to explore the data themselves. Enable selections and filters so your audience can dig deeper and uncover their own insights within your story. This will keep your audience engaged and allow them to tailor the story to their own needs. And that's it. You've now transformed raw data into a compelling data story that resonates with your audience and inspires action.